welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, you're most welcome, and please do subscribe before leaving. For today I'll be a parlor एक ब्यूटिशियन बनेगा मेरा मम्मी के लिए. हम उसका बाल स्ट्रेट करेगा. अगर आप घर में हेयर स्ट्रेट करना चाहता है तो प्लीज़ मेरा वीडियो एंड तक देखिए. तो लेट्स गेट टू द वर्क. First, you have to wash your hair and dry it properly. So we have bought this hair straightening cream from Streaks, and you'll get 3 items inside. First, I'm going to apply this straightening cream. Make a small section to apply thoroughly. And make sure you apply it well and thoroughly. It's done applying. Now you have to wait for 40 to 60 minutes and then test. If it is stretching, then yeah, it's done. And after that you have to wash and dry your hair thoroughly again. Now we have to make it into a section again, and we're going to straighten the hair. So we are done with the straightening, and I'm so sorry I couldn't take the video during the straightening time. And the next part is applying the neutralizing cream. We have done applying, and you have to wait for 30 to 40 minutes. Wash it again and dry it properly. So this is the final result. एक बार ऐसे कर दो.